Someone asked what sound do I use for my videos, and I wanted to explain it properly. So where I mostly get my sounds are from Spotify, YouTube, and also CapCut. And basically what I'm searching is cinematic ambient sounds, inspirational sound, or dramatic sounds. And actually the key is listening to the sounds, because you have to like look for the perfect sound that gives you the right emotion for your videos. And honestly, you do not always get the sound you're looking for. So there's something I do, which is I layer sounds to get the perfect sound for like the emotion I want. So it's actually really easy to do. So I'm like sharing my tips on how I do, like how I make things easier for myself, or like, you understand what I mean. So I'm like sharing those tips with you. And if you actually like videos like this, please follow for more. Thank you.